कायम मकाम सदर यूसुफ रजा गिलानी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। 27वीं सालाना पायदार तरक्की कॉन्फ्रेंस जारी है।
Climate resilience. I extend my sincere acknowledgement to the organizers for exhibiting great synergy in arranging these esteemed forums that stand as a testament to our unwavering collective resolve to transition from fragility to resilience, fostering a sustainable future for Pakistan and the world. The conference theme, From Fragility to Resilience, Enhancing Sustainable Development, is very relevant and pertinent. It reminds us of the critical importance of transforming and vulnerabilities into strengths and leveraging innovations to drive adaptability, growth, and development. The vulnerabilities we confront in the form of climate change, economic instability, and social inequities pose common challenges and opportunities. The clock is ticking, and we have a race against time. Our deliberations here, therefore, are not merely academic, they are a clarion call for action for our survival and prosperity. Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, is no stranger to these challenges. Our nation has been significantly impacted by climate change. This can be gauged from the fact that the Global Climate Risk Index ranks Pakistan as the fifth most vulnerable country to climate change. Yet amidst these trials, we have made commendable strides towards improving climate governance and sustainable development. Our national climate change, human and sustainable development policies outline comprehensive, interconnected strategies that address resilience, mitigation, poverty alleviation, social equity and inclusivity, women empowerment, agriculture, water resources, and energy efficiency, among other key areas. Pakistan has linked Vision 2025 SDGs at every level to demonstrate its commitment towards reaching the sustainable development outcomes for wider human well-being. The 5 E's framework, developed by the Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives, defines Pakistan's short to medium-term strategy to achieve economic growth, social development, and environmental sustainability, focusing on export and enterprise-led growth, environment sustainability, energy and food security, e-governance and equity. Moreover, key initiatives have been taken over the past few years, aiming for energy security, environmental protection, sustainable development, social equity, and mitigation of climate change. The Benazir Income Support Program have provided financial assistance to millions of vulnerable families. Additionally, our economic reforms have focused on promoting inclusive growth and reducing poverty. Action speaks louder than words. Our parliament has the distinct honor of becoming the first parliaments to go green by converting its energy need to solar power. Further legislative efforts, such as the establishment of standing committees on climate change in both houses of parliament and the integration of SDGs into national development agendas demonstrate Pakistan's holistic approach to environmental changes. Ladies and gentlemen, The range of initiatives undertaken by Pakistan reflects our multi-dimensional approach to climate governance and sustainable development. However, relentless efforts are still required to achieve SDGs by 2030 for reducing poverty, addressing gender disparity, ensuring provision of education, health, clean drinking water, and development of infrastructure and conserving environment. While celebrating our progress, we must remain vigilant. The path from fragility to resilience requires us to embrace innovative solutions and responsible citizenry. Technology will play a crucial role in the transformation. By harnessing advancements in artificial intelligence and blockchain, we can drive innovation and efficiency in various sectors, enhance food systems, improve governance, and ensure social protection for all citizens. We also need to foster a culture of responsible citizenship by promoting environmental awareness and encouraging sustainable practices at the individual and community levels. Education and public awareness campaigns are crucial in this regard. In tandem, there is a dire need to further strengthen governance frameworks to ensure transparency, accountability, and inclusivity. Economic reforms should focus on creating a conducive environment for sustainable businesses and investments. Moreover, in order to ensure food security, it is imperative to develop resilient food systems that can withstand climate shocks and ensure food for all. Social protection programs are also should be expanded to cover marginalized communities and provide them with the necessary support to thrive. Our progress and prosperity as a nation also depends on the crucial prerequisite of women empowerment by providing them with equal opportunities in education, employment, and leadership. Gender equality is not only a moral imperative, but also a key driver of sustainable development. I urge each of you here today, academics, policymakers, civil societies, representatives, to engage in meaningful dialogue and share your insights on how we can collectively mitigate these complexities. Let us explore how we can further empower women as key stakeholders in sustainable development, recognizing that gender equality is not just a moral imperative but an economic necessity. As a great environmentalist, Bangari Maathai once said, we owe it to ourselves and to the next generation to conserve the environment so that we can bequeath our children a sustainable world that benefits all. This sentiment resonates deeply as we envision a further future where resilience is woven into the fabric of our society. Let us commit ourselves to turning challenges into opportunities. Let us inspire one another through our shared vision of sustainable Pakistan, a nation where every individual has access to clean air, safe water, the equitable opportunities for growth. Together we can illuminate the path towards resilience and ensure future generations inherit a thriving planet. Thank you for your attention, your commitment, and your passion for sustainable development. Let us move forward with determination and hope. Pakistan Zindabad.
SDPI के ज़ेर एहतमाम 27वीं पायदार तरक्की कॉन्फ्रेंस का मकाम सदर यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी का तकरीब से खिताब। आज हमें मौसमियाती तब्दीली का बड़ा चैलेंज दरपेश है। पायदार तरक्की के हुसूल के लिए खैर मुतसलसल आज़म नागुज़ीर है। मौसमियाती तब्दीली का ये चैलेंज तरक्की की राह में बड़ी रुकावट बन चुका है। साथ साथ कहा गया कि इज्तिमाई कोशिश से इन चैलेंजेस का मुकाबला मुमकिन है। ख़वातीन को बाख्तियार बनाने के लिए उनको मौक़े मुहैया करने होंगे। SDPI के ज़रिए ये 27वीं पायदार तरक्की की कॉन्फ्रेंस का मकाम सदर यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी का खिताब। कहा कि आज हमें मौसमियाती तब्दीली के बड़े चैलेंजेस दरपेश हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।